There's a lot to keep up with when it comes to making healthcare choices. The Green Insurance Agency has a team to help you navigate that process. Bill Green is the owner, and this time he's brought among two members of his team. We've got Erica Hayner and Teresa Sapitan. Thank you so much for joining First Coast Living. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And welcome back.
Thank you.
Good to see you. Always helping us out with this.
Yeah.
So is there anything new that's going on in the health insurance world that people need to know about right now?
Yes. So during COVID, they basically stopped kicking people off of Medicaid for those who aren't on Medicare.
Right.
And basically, you haven't had to renew since 2020. Starting the 1st of April this month, people are having to renew.
Okay.
So there are millions of families in Florida and across America who are losing their health insurance.
Ooh.
As long as they have some level of income, they can get a health insurance plan through the healthcare marketplace.
Okay.
If they're still on the lower income end of things, they can usually get a really great health insurance plan that costs them almost nothing.
Okay, what about Medicare?
Medicare, it's just the same thing. People every day in America, there's over 10,000 turn 65 every single day. We've got a couple resources. One is, of course, a Medicare breakdown book we've talked about before.
Yeah.
And then something new we have is we have an on-demand webinar. The website for that is MedicareFirstSteps.com with the number 1.
Okay.
They can go there, sign up, watch the online on-demand webinar whenever they want.
That is nice. Right at your fingertips, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we've got to talk to your teammates here. Introduce us.
So this is Erica. She's been with us about 2 years, and Teresa is just shy of a year.
Okay, so what do you do to help clients when they call in?
So depending on the situation, we'll help them order cards or policy packets if they haven't received it, or answer questions about their policy that, you know, when you're in the middle of an appointment, you're just kind of not asking.
Right, so kind of helping them along the way, things maybe they didn't even think to ask.
Exactly.
It's kind of nice to have that partner there, that person on their team. I mean, because
Yes.
really you're on his team, but you're on everyone's team who's coming in, right?
Yes.
What about you? Tell us how you help.
We get all kinds of questions from, is this a scam?
Oh, wow.
Where can I reassign my primary care provider? Can you help me find a dentist? Can you help me find a specialist? We navigate all of that for people who can't do it at home, people who don't have computers.
Yeah.
And even yesterday, I helped someone with the Medicaid renewal because of the whole renewal thing that started with this year.
And
pretty much anything.
Yeah, and it's interesting too, you said about people who don't have computers. I think we kind of take for granted, or we just kind of assume everybody has access, and there's actually a pretty decent percentage of people who don't have access. So it's nice to have a person in front of them or on the phone who can actually walk them through this. So you've said Medicare bills are some of the most time-consuming things that you deal, or time-consuming in this process, right? So what exactly is involved with all of that?
So when they receive a bill in the mail or a statement online, they're questioning it, we make sure that that's actually what they are supposed to be paying for. A lot of times things are coded wrong, so we have to call the billing department and have them resend it with a different code. It goes differently with Medicare and original health insurance.
Okay, so just know that you have a team of people who can help you, because yeah, I think it can get convoluted. There's a lot going on. There's so many different avenues, like you were saying. People could be concerned about scams, or, you know, is this right? Or help me find a dentist. I mean, there's just so many things that I didn't even really think of that you guys can help with. So that's wonderful. If somebody is interested in getting help, where can they go?
They can call the office. The phone number is 904-717-1176, or they can visit our website, greenins.com.
Okay, and that website one more time too for the webinar.
For the webinar is MedicareFirstSteps.com with the number 1.
All right, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank
Always
you.
helping us out, helping out our viewers, and it was nice to meet you too.
It was nice meeting you.
Thanks for having
Thank you.
us.
Of course, and if you'd like to see this interview again, just head to our website, and that's firstcoastliving.net.